In this video, I will show you how to add action filters in Tableau. First, log into your Tableau account. Once you're logged in, you will see your main dashboard. On top are the rows of your menu list. Go to the top part of your screen and click on Worksheet. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Actions. A pop-up window will then appear at the center of your screen. Click on Add Action, then select Filter from the list. Now you can start customizing your filter by entering a name and adjusting the settings according to your preference. Once you're done, click the OK button. You will be taken back to the Actions window where you can now see your newly added action filter. Click OK again to finalize the setup. And that's how to add action filters in Tableau.